Cool. All right. So I think we've got our scenario, and then it would be good to feed the health into the model. You know what? Let's just run it like it is. Like the agent should be able to learn without knowing its health. I don't think it can avoid the monsters anyway. All it can do is shoot them. So it just has to shoot the monsters as quickly as possible. And knowing its health is not going to help it. So let's just run it like this. So you know what? I'm just going to start an instance and run this. So let's go and start an instance. So I'm using a C5.2x large, which I don't remember how much it is. I think it's like 70 cents an hour, which is about $16 a day. I don't remember exactly. I mean, it's not free, that's for sure. But anyway, all right. So to sh into the instance, all right, Python path equal dot Python ViZDoom 011. And then we're going to have the default learning rate, default accumulate gradients. It's running on the CPU. So we just need to set like the log path and the model path. That's being a bit slow. So I think it's something like log. Oh, let's have a look. All right, and then we still have visualization turned on, right? So let's turn off the visualization, and we have some print statements too. Let's get rid of those. Well, I guess we can just leave it. It's kind of fun. But we should turn off this. We should make the visible false. Actually, you know what? We can make this into an argparse. All right, so args.visible here, right? All right, let's push that to the instance. All right, and then we should just be able to run this. And I'm going to log what I'm running to my log. All right, there we go. Kind of want to see when it dies, but fine. All right, and so let's have a look at that running. So it's in pull folder. So cat pull log ViZDoom 11. All right, there we go. Yeah, so that's like reward minus 200 right now. That's very negative rewards. It might not learn because these rewards are always too negative. Like the rewards kind of need to be sort of balanced, like sometimes positive, sometimes negative. So we might need to rebalance these rewards, like normalize them. Wow, minus 411. Wait, why is the reward? Oh, because this is averaged out over 16 episodes, right? This is the average reward. This reward's really negative. All right, so I'm going to leave that to run. In the next video, we will look at how this is going and think about what to do next. Like, well, let's see what happens. All right. If you've got any comments or questions, please put those in the comments below. If you liked this video, please click like. Please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video.